Handle the object shown below and observe and write how many edges and corners each object has. So let us consider this is a parallelopiped cuboid. A cuboid has 8 edges, 12 edges, 12. 4 edges here, 1, 2, 3, and 1 behind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 on this side and 4 on this side. 4, 4 and 4, 12. Corners, how many corners does it have? It has 4 corners here and 4 corners here. In all 8 corners. So 12 edges and 8 corners. A cone has 1 edge and 1 corner. This is a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 edges and 2 edges and 0 corner, no corner. A sphere, this is the ball is a sphere. So a sphere does not have any edges, 0 edges and 0 corners. Say which object in the picture will slide and which ones will roll. Which objects in the pictures will slide and which ones will roll. This is having this object. This object has a flat surface on which it is resting. Flat surface. The bottom surface is a flat. So it will slide down. It will just push down, move down. This is a ball, a spherical ball. It has no flat surface. So it rolls down, down. This bicycle tire is circular and the slope goes down. The boy is playing with it. So it being circular, it will roll down. This is a disc. A disc is a part of a cylinder. Suppose you have a cylinder. You cut this portion off. So it will appear like this. This portion, if you cut off and remove, it will appear like this. So this shape is like this. It has got a flat surface below and this object is resting on the flat surface. So it will slide down. A flat surface, it will slide down. Whereas this surface is a curved surface. This disc is resting on the curved surface. So it will roll down. This disc will roll down.